Are you passionate about animals? Would you enjoy carrying out research? Are you analytical with a logical approach to problem solving? Do you have excellent verbal and written communication skills? If you have said yes to these questions, the occupation of zoologist might be the one for you. Zoologists study all kinds of animals, both in their natural habitats and in captivity in zoos and aquariums. They study anatomy, physiology, diets, behaviors, how animals interact with the environment, as well as the impact humans have on them. Zoologists specialize in a particular animal group such as mammals, birds, insects, or some focus on a single species. Zoologists find employment opportunities with a variety of organizations and institutions, including government agencies, educational institutions, environmental conservation groups, and consulting companies. The tasks carried out by zoologists will depend on who they work for and the area of their specialization. Some zoologists work for zoos, aquariums, or wildlife centers. They focus on the management and well-being of the animals at the facility. The zoologists may be involved in research or the breeding programs of endangered species. Some zoologists work for wildlife conservation groups and wildlife sanctuaries. They may be involved in the rehabilitation and release of wild animals. Others plan conservation and ecotourism initiatives, which often involve local communities, or they may lobby for policy changes. A few zoologists work as museum curators. Their role is to manage specimens and exhibitions that are on display for the community. Irrespective of where zoologists work, they are usually involved in research. Zoologists may collect biological specimens and measure physical characteristics of the animals they study. When zoologists study the movement of animals or want to track their habitat ranges in the wild, they often use Geographical Information Systems, or GIS, and Global Positioning Systems, or GPS, to do this. The research carried out by these scientists is aimed at investigating and increasing knowledge of animal behavior, interactions with other species, and migration patterns. Aspects such as diseases, pests and parasites, toxins, and habitat changes that impact animal populations is also studied. Zoologists often use specialized mathematical modeling software to predict future scenarios such as animal population changes due to climate change or habitat destruction. The research and findings made by zoologists are written up and published in reports and journal articles. Other scientists and specialists use this information in many ways. It can be used to monitor and estimate population sizes, control disease, manage hunting programs, and develop conservation plans. To become a zoologist, a Bachelor of Science degree with a major in a subfield of zoology is the first step. Other majors, such as chemistry, physics, biochemistry, or environmental science, are important and often help define the area in which the zoologist specializes. Although there are a limited number of non-research employment options, most will still require a minimum of a master's degree. Progression to more senior positions may involve taking on greater responsibility. Promotion is likely to depend on ability and experience. Obtaining a doctoral degree is a necessity for senior roles.